പോയിടാം നാം ലോകം മുഴുവനും പോയിടാം സുവിശേഷവുമായി പോയിടാം നാം യേശുവിനായി സാക്ഷികളായിടാം പോയിടാം നാം
Deuteronomy chapter 26 Harvest offerings. After you have occupied the land your God is giving you and have settled there, each of you must place in a basket the first part of each crop that you harvest, and you must take it with you to the one place of worship, to the priest in charge at that time, and say to him, I know to the Lord my God that I have entered the land that he promised our ancestor to give us. The priest will take the basket from you and place it before the altar of the Lord your God. Then in the Lord's presence you will repeat these words. My ancestor was a wandering Arman who took his family to Egypt to live. They were few in numbers when they went there, but they became a large and powerful nation. The Egyptians treated us harshly and forced us to work as slaves. Then we cried out for help to the Lord, the God of our ancestors. He heard us and saw our suffering, hardship and misery. By his great power and strength he gives us from Egypt. He worked miracles and wonders and terrified things to happen. He brought us here and given us his rich and fertile land. So now I bring to the Lord the first part of harvest that he has given me. Then set the basket down in the Lord's presence and worship there. Be grateful for the good thing that the Lord your God has given you and your family, and that Levites and the foreigners who live among you join in the celebration. Every third year give the tenth of your crop to the Levites, the foreigners, to the orphans and the widows, so that every community that will have all their needs to eat. When you have done this, say to the Lord, none of the scared left in my house. I have given it to the Levites, the foreigners, the orphans and the widows, as you command me to do. I have not disobeyed or forgot any of your commands. I have not eaten any of it when I was mourning. I have not taken any of it out of my house. I have not given any of it as an offering for the deed. I have obeyed you, O Lord. I have done everything you commanded. The tide look down from your holy place in heaven, and bless your people Israel. Bless also the rich and fertile land that you have given us, as you promised our ancestors. Today the Lord your God commands you to obey all his laws, that faithfully with all your heart. Today you have acknowledged the Lord as your God. You have promised to obey to keep all his laws and to do all the he commands. Today the Lord has accepted you and his own people promised you, and he commanded you to obey all his law. He will make you great than any other nation that he has created, and you will bring praise and honor to his name. You will be his own people as he promised.
പോയിടാം നാം ലോകം